And everyone, welcome to the Zankin Automotive Soccer Center for our third game of the day. It is the Women's Under-21 MilkUP Ontario Cup final between the Guelph Griffins going against North York's FC Emery Blizzards. As we see here with FC Emery's Megan Knapp, she's going to be able to shift this one forward. It's a good ball, and we got an early run coming through. It's a goal, but it gets fired over the net by Poveda as she got sent on to goal from Knapp's through ball. Cut towards the right, and that shot just went a little bit too high. Guelph able to win the ball in Blizzard territory, and there's a shot from range. And that'll be a comfortable catch there for Black, but first real test of the keeper, as Fraser tried that shot from a distance. Pushing and shoving between the players as they're battling for that ball in the air. And it's going to be settled down by Knapp. Going to back heel this one for Lavisa. There's not much time left to go, and there it goes. There is the halftime whistle in this Under-21 Women's MilkUP Ontario Cup final. Poveda screaming for the ball, making a nice run down the middle, and she timed that one perfectly. She was going to be onside, and it's going to take a couple deflections, and it's just going to go wide of the goal. That was a great run from Poveda. I saw her eyeing the fullback on the opposite side to make sure she stayed onside, and then as soon as she saw her teammate get the ball, she immediately cut in straight along that line, moved up the field. But it was a good shift over from Van Milligan, recognizing that and shutting it down before anything could happen. As this time, here comes a ball through for DeSalvo. Can she get a shot towards goal? And that's the side netting. Didn't miss that one by too much, as this one just went high and towards the back side of the corner. As our coaches have that brief moment and start to maybe even consider who do we want on the field to play if it does come to a penalty kick situation. Guelph doesn't want to have that happen, as they could get something going here with Hanyadi, and just getting up was Black, and I'm not too sure if that shot took a deflection off the back. But it was a high looping one, and Black was able to poke it down and, most importantly, pick up the loose ball. And you can see it, Baller's just giving everything she's got left, but there goes the full-time whistle. And your women's under-21 MilkUP Ontario Cup final will be going to penalties after a 0-0 game here, folks. Very even game between the two teams. And she puts it in the bottom corner. And here comes Knapp, and it was red right away. And she skies it over the goal. That was a short run up and not enough of it for Montero. That's going to be McCann, just enough in the bottom corner. And here comes FC Emery, and this is why, as a goalkeeper, you thank the posts. It's going to be a straight run up, and it's saved! It's going to be another short run up, and it's going to be saved this time! And again, that's just the risk when you do that short run up. You're not going to get that much power. And she puts it in the bottom corner! And that will do it! Your women's under-21 MilkUP Ontario Cup champions are the Guelph Griffins after a crazy penalty kick situation after a 0-0 draw.